everyone, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and I'm going to show you a couple tools that make creating stretch bracelets a lot easier. So my favorite stretch fiber is Opalon. So I'm going to be cutting a little bit of Opalon just to show you a sample here of the tools that we're going to be using. Okay, so I just cut it with my snips. And so one way you can make a stretch bracelet, I think a lot of us do this, is they just have the stretch cord, they cut the length that they want, and they take it and they put the beads on. Okay, so totally works. You can absolutely do that. But if you're making a lot of stretch bracelets and it's something you really enjoy doing, there's two tools that are really helpful. One is a bead stopper. So these you often see used for stringing projects, and you put them at the end of your beading wire and it keeps your beads from falling off. So you can use them for stretch cord as well. You just place the stretch fiber down into it. It actually just grabs it and it keeps it secure. So now what happens is if you go ahead and you put your bead on, and when it comes down to the end, it doesn't go anywhere. It is stopped. So that's really nice. And then you just remove it by pinching it again, and you pull it out, and it doesn't damage your fiber in any way. Okay, so that's one tool I love. The other tool is a twisted wire needle, and you get a ton of them in a pack. I actually kept them in the pack because I thought it'd be easier to see. But they are these super fine wire needles with nice big eyes. I'm gonna take one out. And what's nice is that eye is big enough to put your stretch cord through. So what you can do is now you've got a needle to work with. So when you're using big beads, it's not quite as needed, but when you start to use seed beads and other beads, it makes life so much easier. So now I have a nice needle, and I can just put that needle through my bead and then pull. And so that is a super fast and easy way of being able to string on your beads onto your stretch cord. So those are my two favorite tools when making stretch bracelets: a little bead stopper and a twisted wire needle. And you can keep reusing that twisted wire needle over and over again. So fun, easy, and really makes creating stretch bracelets a lot easier. So you can find these tools and of course hundreds and hundreds of beads, thousands of beads over at beadaholique.com. If you like this video and want to find out other tips for jewelry making, please do subscribe to our channel and check out our website. Thanks, guys.